What's good, YouTube? SRT TJ, we back with another video. So y'all can see, man, we in that scat thing right now. We finna be on the way to Tie House right quick and shit. I was just thinking like, man, I might as well get y'all a POV drive while I'm on the way to Tie shit. So y'all see me bringing out this content for y'all boys. Y'all see I'm doing this shit, man. I'm for real this time. I'm on this shit. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. As y'all can see, man, we almost on the way to we almost at 1,000 subscribers. We at 860, I think, right now, as of right now. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Get your boy to 1K and we're gonna grow from there. I'm gonna put it in let's put it in track mode, even though I don't have no ties. I'm gonna fucking kill myself out here. Roll down the windows because it actually feel good out today. It's 7 degrees. The last couple of days it's been like 40, like under 40, 30 type shit. It was lit too fucking cold, but I'm gonna open the sunroof too so y'all can hear this boy. Y'all see how easily like the car slide, like it don't have no fucking ties at all. And I'm really not, I don't recommend no one to drive like this, but I'm doing it, you know what I'm saying, to give me some content and shit. I gotta do what I gotta do. And I'm going right down the road, so I'm not really going nowhere, fucking over the tires, you know what I'm saying? I'm try to get y'all pull right here. Y'all see it spinning. And I'm barely hitting it. That's not even like, that's about 20% of throttle. Y'all see the car like it's going left to right, look. So I'm gonna have to, you know, I can't do all that. We're just gonna have to chill out today. Hope y'all can hear because like the wind blowing real hard. So I hope that's not fucking up the video, you know what I'm saying? If y'all watching, bro, y'all make sure y'all go hit that subscribe button, man. It's free to hit the subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Just go ahead and do it for me. Get me to 1K, and we're gonna grow from there. Y'all, the wind blowing so fucking hard. I'm gonna have to roll up the windows. I'm gonna leave the sunroof open though, so y'all can hear the car a little bit. I'm not really going crazy. I'm not, you know what I'm saying, like I said about the tire. Y'all boys are down shit right quick. See, if I would've went out there, bro, I would've got my ass smacked. Cause the car, all it do is spinning. Like, it's not catching no type of traction at all. It's not going nowhere. I'm gonna have to get some tires ASAP. And I'm gonna vlog that. I'm gonna record that for y'all too whenever I go get some tires. But I am gonna take these big ass 315s off. I don't recommend you going 315s unless you got a Hellcat or something. But scat, man, I stay with 275s, 285s. I might go 305s, but I don't know. But I'm gonna go back 275s because the car felt better like that. It had more speed like that too. So we're gonna fuck with. We're gonna stay with the fucking 275. We ain't gonna go no bigger than that. Even though I like the look, yeah, the look cool and everything, but I don't like how they ride, so I'd rather 275. But they look real good. Make the car look more aggressive and shit at the back. But fuck it. And y'all, I'm thinking about doing a giveaway at 1K subscribers. So if y'all got any, you know what I'm saying, any ideas y'all think I should give away, like, you know, just let me know. Y'all put it down below in the comments and let me know, or DM me on Instagram. Make sure y'all go follow my Instagram too. Y'all can DM me or anything. Y'all want a link or whatever, you know what I'm saying? And they really haven't been having no car meets or no car shit going on down here, because the last meet, they shut that bitch down, so police been on everybody's necks. So we been laying low for a couple days and weeks or whatever you want to call it, to let shit die back down. Then we're gonna pop back out. But when we do pop back out, I'm not doing none of that, you know what I'm saying, sliding, spinning shit, because the police be lurking out here, bro. And my city's so fucking small. I'm right here in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I'm from Louisiana, in Baton Rouge, bro, and it's so fucking small. So if something happen, you really, what the fuck happened right here? The fuck these niggas got going on? They stuck traffic and everything. And this nigga done ran over the thing in the middle of the road. I don't know what the fuck going on, but it got nothing to do with me. But like I was saying, bro, I'm finna give y'all some racing content and everything. So y'all stay tuned for that. Y'all can tell me this bitch ain't clean, man. I ain't gonna cap, bro. I love the black wheels on it. I had bronze wheels. If y'all ain't know, I had bronze 5-spoke wheels on this bitch, but I traded someone. I got these rims, bro, and I really fuck with them. Like, I like how the front of the car look. It look more aggressive, and you know. But I debashed it. Like, well, I put the badges back on there, but as y'all can see, if y'all ain't see that video I had posted, I had put the badges back on to, you know, let people know that it's a Scat, because a lot of people ain't know that I was driving a Scat. And look at my fucking tires. But a lot of people ain't know it was a Scat. A lot of people thought it was a RT or whatever. So I put all the badges back on and shit, you know what I'm saying? So let people know it's a Scatpack. And a lot of people ask me where I get these LED lights from on the side. They on eBay. I'm gonna put the link down below, so y'all can go get that from eBay or whatever. They got the white ones like mine, and they got the tinted ones with the white lights. Look at this dude, man. Nigga just be on the flat, man. Nigga got a whole flat. I know, like in the when you be grabbing your hand at. But yeah, my shit scratched up just like that. Yes, sir. Kayla said he wanted brakes painted red, bro. That bitch gonna look hard. That bitch gonna pop. Fucking right. Yeah, that red gonna pop on that bitch. Jig, 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 jig. Ooh, 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 ooh. How you do it? Ty got a flat right now. That nigga don't kill. Nigga, whole flat. Look at this shit. He wanna sit in there and watch movies all fucking day. He need to come in here and record and get his fucking car right. Come watch this bitch and get his stem fixed. Cause ain't nothing wrong with his tire, it's just his stem. Got a flat on it. What's this? What you got this over here for? What this is? Oh shit. I think that's AC, like something for the AC. But look at that thing over there. Ooh, Hellcat. Hellcat. In the room right now, Ty over here watching movies and shit. Watching a little football movie. From back in the day shit, some old movie shit.